On behalf of the Fijian government, I extend a very warm welcome to you all this morning. I'd like to especially welcome the Honourable Minister for Commerce from Solomon Islands, Mr. Elijah Doro, and representative from FLNKS, Mr. Jean Cornier. We appreciate your presence here this morning. My sincere appreciation and indeed an honour to have the President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, as our chief guest to open the seminar in the lead up to the trade show. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome a new era in the MSG. We bring together representatives from the MSG business community, government agencies and investment agencies. The inaugural MSG Trade Ministers meeting in Nandi this year endorsed the proposal of the MSG Investment Roadshow and Trade Fair, which was later approved by the MSG leaders. The MSG Investment Roadshow and Trade Fair is to enable the MSG members to get together and explore opportunities in trade and investment within the region. Ladies and gentlemen, this seminar will give you an opportunity to discuss issues that will facilitate an increase in trade and investment amongst us. By unleashing the region's potential, it will lead to economic growth and improvement in the lives of all our peoples. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you very well in your discussions this morning. Vinaka, thank you.